Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Today, just a quick little video of my studio assistant and I pulling some pots out of the Raku kiln really late at night with all the lights off. It's a cool, dramatic video. Really enjoyed doing this even though it was super cold that night. Hope you enjoy.
I'm gonna let it sit off for a minute.
Let's go. Go.
Okay, which one do I do first?
We'll see when it comes toward you. Maybe this one. Okay, hold on. Let it burn. Now. This one's going to be a little harder to get on. Let it burn. Now. Oh, I guess I have the round base. That's okay. Let it burn.